In this video, we are going to talk about earn $650 per day from Google Translate, make money from Google 2021. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. One of the many advantages of working from home is that you may sign up for a variety of projects and start working on them whenever and wherever you like. This is just one of the many benefits of working from home. You will discover how to make money with Google Translate in today's video lesson. Even if you have no prior experience or understanding of every language spoken on the planet. Getting paid. The most critical step after you have finished your work and submitted your translation is to receive your payment. You will usually get paid within 24 hours. And if you want to get your free bonus on Ledium and the website, you can pay for a Ledium wallet, which allows you to earn money in this way. Accepting their initial payment will earn you a $1 bonus. Yes, a dollar will not make the world a better place, but you already know that free money is free money. And every freelance site and television show that wants translation services is seeking for it. So go to work, continue scanning, and you will improve your skills over time. When generating, subtitling, and distributing content, be sure you are giving consumers what they want, because you will be good at what you do. Studying how things function will enhance your actual freelance profiles. As a result, you will be willing to start building equity in your actual freelance profiles by generating profiles that generate some experience while charging less than others for the identical thing. With time, you will be able to accept more and more. Many more programs, notably Google, achieved this by enhancing the old translation capability. Earn money from Lithium? Guys, you are free to approach him and start conversing with him, informing him of the situation, his specifics of what he is doing, and whether or not they agree of it. You can start by hiring someone to help you with the translation and make sure it's done correctly, so that when you return to the Lithium, people you will know you will have a safe job, the right task for them, and that you will be compensated for your work. So go ahead and check out the Lithofox, check it out, establish a profile, and start working on some of the assignments that are available here. You can do a lot of it, not just with those guys. How to translate in Google Translate? Let's take a look at this as an example because we're going to translate it. Let's take a look at what we get now. The crew has pressed the corporate summary button here. You can earn between $500 to $750, folks, if you just go ahead and register and bid on this project here, which is exactly what they are looking for, a Mali to English translation. The pamphlet, which will be 25 pages long and look to be another conventional brochure in the making, is aimed at both men and women. Let's have a look at how you plan on making money with it. So once you have bid on a project and closed a deal, you will almost certainly go to Google Translate, start translating these easy brochures here, right here. So let's choose one of these and see what happens. First, it will recognize the language. So let's see if it recognizes Malay, and then paste it in. He immediately hacked the text. Look at it, and here comes the point when your work and thinking will be put to the text. Because you certainly don't want to be some kind of generic moron who simply translates the text in the text box. Spread the word to make this revolution a reality, because Malaysia is not ready for the other impeachment or a liberation strategy. It's understandable that the words are a little jumbled, but you will have to read it to figure out what's going on in the first place, because you cannot simply submit any document and expect to be paid for it. You must guarantee that the translated document makes total sense to the English people. They will review it, and if it doesn't make sense or match their criteria, you will be rejected and will not be paid for the task. As a result, if you are going to utilize Google Translate or start translating after that, make sure the translated content is completely understood to the English speakers. So for this, hire a native speaker. You may hire a male native speaker to help you with this, and then All you have to do is message the person and ask him to give you a review. Once you have completed, you can hire them for as low as $12 per hour, depending on your needs. Or learn more about them by visiting the website mentioned above. It is possible to earn money on the side while conducting lithium labor as well as other forms of work. Simply choose one of their profiles from the drop-down box to the right of the screen to get started. Create an account and write a letter explaining what you are doing if you wish to communicate with someone. They will be delighted to assist you with everything you require. You can hire a male native speaker to help you with this right here. And then all you have to do is message them and ask them to do a review for you. When you are done, you can hire them for as little as $12 per hour or discover more about them by going to this site. Even after you have completed the lithium work, you can make some extra cash. If you arrive on this page, please proceed to one of their profile as soon as possible by clicking on it. It is possible to contact them via email, so go ahead and establish an account and write them an email describing your problem and they will gladly assist you. Earn money from Google Translate. As a result, let's get this party started. Click here where it says translation and languages and then go to this website to see all of the available jobs as well as how much money you can expect to make for the work you do. After that, we will talk about the next level. Consider translating sales brochures into the target language so that a simple sales brochure can be translated into the target language whether someone is trying to sell a product or already knows if they are browse their leaflet. For translating this company's brochures from its original language into English, you will be paid between $500 to $1,000. Please take the time to read this page in this entirely before proceeding. You will log in and submit a bid on the project whenever you are ready, and you will then finish the entire bidding process for that job. Consider all of the numerous tasks you might have been working on at the time of this writing as we go back in time. Register yourself to earn money. By going to the top of the page and clicking here, you can create your own profile. This will lead you to a registration page where you can fill up basic information like your name and email address as well as establish a username to start developing your own profile. In order for us to start making money, you must return to the home website and begin browsing through all of the projects. Thank you very much for all of your help. Once you have reacquainted ourselves with it, we can click under Browse and Done Projects to begin earning money. Find project to earn money. Furthermore, the procedure is quite straightforward to comprehend. They post all of these jobs right here on this site as well as now, and the first thing you will do when you arrive is look through the list of all the available positions, look through them, choose the project you had like to work on, finish it, deliver it and then return it to the person who hired you to do the task. This is your responsibility that you will be able to start receiving funds, making this a really simple process for you to finish. You can start earning compensation by selecting a completed assignment for your accounts project section. That's all there is to it. Earn money from freelancing. It will be the first to appear after the first or the first to appear after a series of previous first appearances and so on. Concentrate on the second choice on the screen and choose that one that says freelance, which is right in the center. After you have accomplished your original course, go to the Lithium, a website that offers weekly job advertisement that you may apply for and start working on for extra money once you have completed your initial commitments. If you keep scrolling down the website for a few seconds longer, you will notice that they are advertising job openings in almost every industries you can think of. Graphic designs are created using simple surveys and music is generated using YouTube banners. As a result, whether you want to make music or movies, you can come here and start right away. However, bear in mind that in the near future, we will be focusing our efforts on translation and language acquisition, so you may wish to supplement your income with simple home duties. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear me from here again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.